Hi everyone, and welcome to this yoga video for absolute beginners. My name is Mia, and I'm here to guide you through some gentle stretches that will help you loosen up, improve your flexibility, and feel amazing. Whether you're brand new to yoga or haven't practiced in a while, this routine is perfect for you. There's no need for fancy equipment, just find a comfortable space on the floor where you can move freely. Remember, yoga is all about listening to your body. Don't push yourself into any positions that cause pain. Breathe deeply and slowly throughout the entire practice. Let's begin. Warm up. Calming music continues. Cat-cow. Start on your hands and knees, with your wrists shoulder-width apart and knees hip-width apart. As you inhale, arch your back and look up, cow pose. As you exhale, round your back and tuck your chin to your chest, cat pose. Repeat this motion for 5-10 breaths. Neck rolls. Gently roll your head in a circular motion, 5 times forward and 5 times backward. Feel any tension releasing in your neck and shoulders. Arm circles. Extend your arms out to the sides, palms facing down. Make small circles with your arms, forward for 10 circles, then backward for 10 circles. Gentle stretches. Seated forward. Fold. Sit on the floor with your legs extended in front of you. Reach forward with your hands, hinging at your hips, and grasp your toes or shins wherever feels comfortable. Breathe deeply and hold for 10-15 seconds.